Morning, America. Good morning, Miami Beach. Happy New Year, 1st of January 2025, and I am yet on my second swim for today. It has been now exactly 1 hour since the sunrise. It is 8:15 right now, and I am going in for yet another beach adventure here after doing some dances on the beach. It is also very empty right now at this point in time. I think it's gonna be more crowded later as they are making up the sunbeds here, and I can use the sunbeds actually here as it is part of the resort fee that I have paid for my hotel, which was quite expensive though. And yes, I'm gonna be exploring the beach here today in Miami. This is South Beach, quite a huge beach actually, but I will go all the way down to the South Pointe where the beach ends, and that is close by to the port for the cruise ships that are numerous from Miami port. And this is how the beach looks like early in the morning, and it's gonna be a nice swim, second morning swim for today. And I need to get back to the hotel, actually it's an apartment hotel, and get some coffee. There is complimentary coffee there, and I have bought some Pop-Tarts that I will eat with s'mores taste, and then I'm gonna eat out later for lunch and dinner. I had a nice burger yesterday, a cheeseburger. It was very tasty and big, unusually big. It was around $13, which is a bit more expensive than Sweden, I have realized. In Sweden you can get a whole meal for that. Well, not exactly, not in the city though, but yeah, you know what I mean. Since the last time I got here, everything's gotten more expensive it seems. I was here last time in 2019, and I remember it was quite okay then, back then, but now the inflation, I guess, went up the sky in the US, it seems so. So yes, that's about it. And now let's go in for a swim here at Miami Beach. So let's go. Look at how the beautiful white sand is, and the buildings also. This area right here doesn't have any sunbeds, but it's surrounded on the both sides. And I will actually finally use a sunbed later today, as I mentioned, it's included in the resort fee. And yeah, there is also there the blue lifeguard part also as well, the lifeguard point that is quite known in Miami Beach, that is known for. And everything looks better to the sun, so it's quite amazing and nice indeed. Perfect morning in Miami Beach. Let's then go in for a swim. So yes, day 2 of my adventures in North America and the Caribbean. So I will be going on the cruise tomorrow already. So I have now 29 hours left in Miami. That's how I count them. Alright, now let's go in for a swim and enjoy this beautiful day at South Beach in Miami. Let's go! Amazing. That's amazing. Beautiful day on the beach. It is now 21 degrees Celsius only. It's gonna be up to 25 later today. And in the sea currently it is around 24 degrees Celsius. Last time I checked it was 24.9 satellite measurement. It feels a bit colder though, as I was in Thailand where it was 29, but 5 degrees still, it's good enough. So yeah, this is how we do it in Miami. I just can't believe I have traveled to the United States once again for the third time in my life. I would love to visit also Los Angeles someday. And what else? Which other cities I want to visit? Las Vegas also, maybe for a day. It's close to Los Angeles now that I realized. So, right, let's then wrap up, and I will go get some breakfast to continue the beach adventures after that. But it looks like it's going to be a sunny day, and the sunset is around 6 p.m. so there is like sunshine for 12 hours in Miami Beach currently at this part of the year. 1st of January 2025 indeed. So that's a wrap. Greetings from South Beach, Miami Beach, and see you soon again with another adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.